have a bunch of orders. Hello! Morning, it's Monday. I'm putting on deodorant and Kyle and I are going to the gym this morning. We've been going pretty frequently, but we need to get going because the bus is coming. We just got back from the gym and we're gonna have lunch, and I've been eating a salad every day and now I got Kyle hooked on it, so I'm gonna show you what I put in it. I like using this baby lettuce mix from Trader Joe's. Kyle likes to use the spring mix. I also like to add tomatoes. I also like to add quinoa. I just made this in our Instant Pot. I'm also adding some garbanzo beans for Kyle, but I don't really care for them, so I'm just adding it in his. And some cucumber and sweet potato, the best part. The dressing is pretty simple. I just take garlic powder, salt, pepper, balsamic vinegar, and olive oil. And then I mix it up really well. Kyle wanted some hard-boiled eggs, so I added some. And then I just drizzle the dressing. Lunch is served. Itadakimasu. Yay, my package came. Oh my gosh!
Oh my god.
Oh, these are so cute! Oh my gosh. So I got these jewelry card holders for my necklaces and my rings. I got these from Etsy, from another small business. I just wanted to elevate the experience of opening my jewelry. So I got these cards. This one's for necklaces and bracelets, so I'll try it on one of the bracelets. So it'll be something like this, and then you like fold it over. There are holes here, so you just take out that part, and then I'm gonna put a bow here. So I already have ribbon. I'm just gonna snip it, and then I can tie it. Oh my gosh. And then it's gonna look something like this. I need to figure out how to tie the bow a little bit more straight. I have these satin drawstring bags that I also got, so I would just put the jewelry in here, add a little thank you card. I would write their name on it as well. And I also got cards for rings. These are the ring cards. These have like a slit in the middle here for your ring to go. I hope it works. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And then I can put the ring inside as well, and then put it in the mailer. How cute! It just makes the experience a little more elevated, feels more special. Okay, we are in my bathroom now. I finished eating lunch and now I have to film some content for one of my freelance clients. I have to do a skincare routine, and I actually filmed a little bit this morning. I didn't record that, but I had to do like a little morning routine, and this is gonna be part of that video. So here's a little behind the scenes. So I'm just gonna get ready. I'm gonna do my skincare at the same time. How cute is this? Okay, let's get started. I've got my phone set up here, ready to record. Hello! The coolest thing that I set up, and the most useful thing, is I can just say start and stop in order to start recording or stop recording. So it's through voice control. You just need to turn it on, but you need to make sure that you have custom gestures set up. So I have it set so that when I say start, the gesture will pop up. I'll put a tutorial here and I'll link one as well if you are interested in setting it up. But if you're also a content creator, this is so helpful because when you go to the camera, I can just say start and it starts recording. See, it's recording, and then I can just say stop and it stops recording. So it's so handy if you're a content creator and you need to start and stop the video without your hands. Start. Stop. Start. Start. Stop. Okay, I am finally done with filming. I have to edit all the footage. I have to edit 2 videos actually. So I need to edit all of that and then send it over to the brand for review. And then once I'm finished with that, I have to pack and ship orders for my small business. But before I get started, I wanted to share what I've been using lately to help me improve my productivity as a content creator and now a new small business owner. And it's Skillshare. Thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes, thousands of members, and a huge variety of different topics that you can explore. I'm a busy girl and I wanted some inspiration on how I could manage all the priorities in my life. So I looked through their classes and I found Productivity Masterclass, Principles and Tools to Boost Your Productivity by Ali Abdaal. So I took this whole lesson and I really liked the interactive aspect of it. At the end of each lesson, you're given a journal prompt, and this is for you to reflect on where you are now and figure out what you need to do to get to where you want to be. You can also share your own response under the discussion tab or read other people's answers. So it really feels like there's a community and that you're not alone in this. The whole lesson was only about 2 hours, but I felt equipped by the end of it with the right skills and the right mindset to stay more focused and productive in my day-to-day life. And there are thousands of other classes like this to help you get inspired or learn a new skill. And right now, the first 500 people to use my link will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. So click the link in my description box and use Skillshare to help you take that next step in your journey. So I'm going to start editing now, and I'm going to first airdrop all the footage to my laptop. Editing can definitely take a long time depending on how complex the video is, but these 2 videos today were pretty simple, so luckily they didn't take too long. And when I'm done editing, I upload it to a spreadsheet and email the brand letting them know that they're ready for a review. So I'm finally done with work. Just sent in my email and now I have a bunch of orders to pack and I need to drop them off at the post office in an hour and a half because that's what time they close. So let's do a little pack orders with me. Starting Bijou Komorebi has been a dream come true. It's crazy to see that people actually want to buy my jewelry. Like, I put a lot of time and effort and love into making each piece and packing each order, so I'm really happy and really grateful that so many people are able to enjoy what I create. It's allergy season. Anyway, I am in bed now. I'm so tired. Today was exhausting. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing behind the scenes of me as a freelance creator and as a new small business owner. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye!